this year in 54th EP, there has been some special arrangement made for the disabled person. What are those highlights?
So, in terms of movie screening, we are screening four movies which are for the disabled, people with disability. So, two of them are audio embedded, and two of them have sign language embedded in them. So, this is for the people. Other than that, what ESG has also done is we've made some infrastructural changes as well. So there is a separate parking area allotted for persons with disability. Then we have arrangements of wheelchairs and all. For going to Mackinac one, the theatre where we are screening these movies, there is an arrangement of lift so that people who are on wheelchair can avail these facilities. And then what we have also done towards the end, we have removed the entire seating from there so that people who are on wheelchair can easily move in and park their wheelchairs there to see the movie that is being screened. So these are some efforts that we have made. Already you might have seen all around the campus also कि हमारे जो signages हैं वो भी ब्रेल में भी प्रेजेंट हैं अगर आप देखें. सिमिलरली जो फ्लोर पे जो अलग सेपरेट मार्किंग होती है फॉर people who are visually impaired, that marking also you will find all around the campus. So these are some of the improvements or changes which we have kind of made based on the suggestions which are given by the Commission of Disabilities. The secretary there, Taha ji, is quite active. उनके जो सजेशंस आते गए. सो आई ऑल्सो फील कि ये सारे हमने अभी कर दिए हैं, बट वी ऑल्सो स्ट्राइव टू ग्रो, एंड एज एंड व्हेन सम न्यू सजेशन कम्स वी ट्राई एंड इनकॉर्पोरेट दोज टू मेक this venue and this place more inclusive and accessible.
So there was one event for disabled persons.
Right.
What was their feedbacks?
So, in terms of the people who had come to view, they were quite happy because एक otherwise हमेशा क्या रहता है फिल्म फेस्टिवल में हर तरीके की मूवी स्क्रीन हो रही है, but it is not really inclusive. What about people with disabilities? So the normal viewers who had come, they were quite happy because this was also they were also made to feel a part of IFFI. The people whom we were felicitating, because these people had done quite a lot of work in the area, so they were also quite happy, and they were appraising the efforts that were made by NFDC as well as ESG in making IFFI accessible and more inclusive. However, they also had some suggestions, and some beautiful suggestions were given by them. So we have also taken up those suggestions, and we are trying to work on those as well.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.